At this time of the year, the possibility of having a joyful Christmas is something to look forward to. Families are a big part of the season. There are loads of fun, food, and joy. And who better to tell us how much they longed for this experience than the child who wished it? It's the wish of these children from state care that are answered through the Child Protection and Family Services Agency, CPFSA's Take a Child Home program. The program invites members of the public to host children for the Christmas holiday period, providing them with that warm family experience. The program returns after being on pause due to the COVID-19 pandemic.
I think the exciting part about this program is that it extends beyond just biological families, and so families in Jamaica who just decide that they want to open their homes and their hearts to children get an opportunity to do that at Christmas time.
Regional Director for the CPFSA's Northeast region, Carolyn Stewart, says over 300 children benefit each year from the program since its inception in 2018. Interested persons must meet the following criteria to participate in the program: be 25 years and over, have a valid ID, 2 passport-size photographs, and 2 references from a justice of the peace, pastor, or high-ranking police officer. You must agree to being interviewed by a children's officer, agree to members of your household being interviewed, and agree to the CPFSA conducting a home visit and assessment.
So once the application is in, within 5 to 7 working days, applicants are able to hear from us. Remember, now we need time for the home assessment and that kind of thing. Now, depending on proximity to the office and where our investigators are at the time, there are persons who might really get express service, but we want to, say 5 to 7 days just to make sure that we cover all our ground. We just want to make sure that the children are comfortable, that there is a safe space for the child, that supervision for the child is considered during the holiday season. And so that home assessment and community visit is really just to make sure that we know exactly who it is we have included in our program.
It's a time to reflect and celebrate in the spirit of love and joy. Children are most in need of this.
The uptake has been good. The response from Jamaica has been excellent. And even narrowing down to very close to the holiday, we are still sometimes getting calls for persons who just really want to be a part of it.
The Take a Child Home initiative is open to children in state care between ages 3 and 18 years. Families can choose how long they want the child to stay.
Island-wide, most schools close out for Christmas break around about the second to third week in December. Once that time comes, the holiday program can start, the placement can begin, and there is no window in terms of number of days or number of weeks, except that the children go back to school in January.
It's an opportunity to create the best Christmas memories for a child who needs it.
No, some of the best experiences I've had is seeing children really warm up to the families. And when you drive up into a yard and you see biological children of the applicants run out with arms wide open, you realize that there are really no borders when it comes to children.
For more information on the Take a Child Home program, visit childprotection.gov.jm/opportunities-to-nurture or contact the CPFSA headquarters at 876-948-1145 or 0243.